How to log into your Capital One Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Capital One Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference, and in the web address bar, simply type in Capital One. Now tap on the first link, which is capitalone.com. Now it will take you to the official homepage of Capital One Bank, where in order to log into your account, you'll have to basically enter your username over here, your password over here, and once you tap on the option sign in, you'll have successfully logged into your account. But in any case, if you forgot either your username or your password, you can simply reset them or recover them by tapping the option forgot username or password. And once you've done that, you can simply use them to log in. But if you are not yet enrolled to Capital One Bank's online banking services, you can simply enroll to them by tapping the option set up online access, and once you follow all the steps provided to you, you will have successfully enrolled to their online banking services. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.